I know you want to look good. You want to feel great. You're smart and you're sick of trendy diets and gimmicks that leave you frustrated. So maybe you're bogged down with too much food, alcohol, and sugar. Oh, or maybe you're feeling a bit lethargic, maybe cranky, and just plain exhausted. I have great news. Yep, great news. Just because you crave that clean feeling, it doesn't mean that you have to go on a crazy cleanse. No, no, no. So I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And you can learn to live in a body and life you love. Yep, I can prove it to you. You know, I was a fat, frumpy widow. I was raising my very active 7-year-old son, and I knew something had to change. So I tried a detox. Yeah. Oh, well, I lasted about 12 hours. It was tough. Then I gorged on solid food because I was so hungry. I knew there had to be a better way. So I created my 10-day clean eating delicious, and I say delicious is the key word here, detox. You know, it's revolutionary. It inspires you with the mouth-watering healthy food that your body is craving, and it helps you to jumpstart to a lifetime of joy, happiness in a body you love. So in my 10-day clean eating detox, delicious detox, this program, it will help you to learn the tools, those powerful tools to bring your body to its perfect weight, increase your energy, improve your sleep, your mood, and watch chronic diseases like autoimmune conditions, joint pains, digestive problems, and allergies, they will start to disappear. I'm going to inspire you, really inspire you to make your healthy habits stick for life. So I invite you to join me and jumpstart yourself to great health with my 10-day clean eating delicious detox. Join me today. Hey, let's create your whole new world of wellness. Click on over, join me, and I can't wait to see you there. I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love, love, love your life. But more importantly, I help you to love yourself. Go out, love yourself, try this detox with me, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.